Sometimes we find sources on other sites and want to attach them to people on FamilySearch, and I'd like to demonstrate a great tool for doing that known as RecordSeek. To get the extension RecordSeek on your Google Chrome, you'll need to open up the Google browser and then type in Google Chrome Web Store. When you've typed that in and go, you'll be able to open up the Chrome Web Store. And then in the search bar, you're going to type in RecordSeek, one word. When you do that and hit return, up will come this little icon. And for you, it will say add to Chrome instead of rate it. And then when you click add to Chrome, another box will come up that will, and you'll click add extension. At that point, you'll either have it here as an icon or you'll have it down here on your favorites bar. So whichever way that it comes about, you'll be able to recognize it. Let me demonstrate how you'll use it. I wanted to add a source to Ralph Wilcox that I found on Ancestry. When I went to Ancestry, I wanted to add this Kansas State Census collection. And when I click this, it will open up the indexed information on that Kansas State Census collection. At this point, what I want to do is highlight the information. If I didn't highlight this, nothing would be put into the notes on the source that we're going to create. In addition to highlighting it, I'm going to copy it. So now then, I'm going to go ahead and click RecordSeek. And so this is telling RecordSeek that I want to copy the source that's on the web page at the moment. And so it goes and says, okay, this is what you've got, and it titles it nicely, it gives you the URL, it tells you where it's found, and then because you highlighted that information, it puts it into the notes. I don't like the way that's formatted, so I'm now going to paste what I copied, and you see that it's formatted just a lot better that way. So now with this source lined out for me the way that it is, I need to attach it to a person. So I click the next, and it says, who do you want to add it to? I could do a search in FamilySearch, but I don't want to do that. I'm just going to go back to Ralph Wilcox, and I'm going to copy his ID. And now to go back, this is important for you to realize, a lot of times the box that's creating the source is hidden behind where you're working. So I come here, and then I just enter in and paste the ID number for the person that I'm wanting to attach it to, click next, and it says, okay, you want to attach this to Ralph Wilcox, and then why do you want to? Well, it validates birth and family information. And then the thing you have to do on RecordSeek that you don't have to do when you're attaching sources from FamilySearch is you need to tag it to the right things. So I want to tag it to the name and the birth and the gender. That's all that it's going to validate. And then I'll close that and I'll create and attach. And so now it has created that source. I'm going to get rid of this box, bring this one back up, and let me just show you when I come back to Ralph here. You notice I've got one source right now. I'm going to refresh the page, and now I have two sources. And that other source, the one that I just did, the Kansas State Census collection, is here, and you can see how neat it is. It's got the link that I can go to it on Ancestry. It's got all that indexed information, so I don't have to go to it. I can just look and see what's here, and it's set up really nicely.